used to have a group of Canadians that came down here for Canada Day, you know, July 2nd.
Yeah.
So they would come down and like put 12 boats, 12 big sailboats, like 36, 40 footers.
Yeah.
And they would come up in the river and tie up to the wall, and
Yeah.
it was awesome. Are we live yet?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Turn the brightness up so I can see your screen.
I don't know if that'll brighten up enough.
No, it worked.
Okay. So those people were so good at Skateria, how much they used to tip when they'd come into Daisy's.
Buku bucks.
Hank. So, hey Facebook, how you doing? Captain Jack sailing here. We're out on beautiful Lake of the Woods. We're almost up to Buffalo Point, which is pretty darn cool. I don't know if you can see it up there. Probably
Right there.
not. Maybe you can. So we got guests on boat, Jeff and Julie Vertina.
Hello, welcome to the island. Aboard ship, we be.
These awesome folks are from the Twin Cities, and they are pirates, as you can probably tell.
Of course,
And
indeed, of course.
We met in the Doug's parking lot last year and decided that we were going to be friends. So
We're
now
good
they're-
mates now.
now
I'd
we're
say.
mates.
Good mates.
Good
Good mates,
mates.
indeed now. Brethren and sisterin across the world.
it is fantastic out here on Lake of the Woods. If you guys aren't, if you have the opportunity, get out here because it's
Beautiful,
awesome.
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
A little bit warm, as you can tell by my lack of clothing.
It's a really nice day out.
But I have
Indeed.
SPF 50 on, so I shouldn't burn too bad. I have 2 coats of it.
Yeah, keep painting that on.
I'll have to probably put another layer on before I get back in. Feel like we're barely moving. We're doing 3.1. That's great.
Yes, this is fabulous. Fabulous sailing weather, of course. Wonderful, wonderful. Buffalo Point is right up there.
Yeah, Buffalo Point is, we're less than a mile from there. Actually, I think that beach right there is Buffalo Point, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's probably where we landed. No, we landed over here in a hurricane.
No, we're around the corner.
Were
We
we
were
right-
around the corner?
We were at that beach? Around the whole corner? Wow, that lake blew us away.
Who's on?
Jessica.
Storm blew us away.
Things that we've created for ourselves. And
Oh my gosh.
So,
I want them to enjoy.
as you guys all know, I love sailing and I love being on the water. And I'm happy to have you with me.
Come join us. Come join us. Out on the water.
We do have the radio on channel 16, so if you want to hail us, the antenna's not up.
Jessica says you're looking like a badass.
Thank you. I feel like a badass.
You're hot.
We got some sailing music on. We're having a great day.
I agree. I agree. Second that motion.
See, and the
There it is.
best thing about
Can't
being on
do
a
better.
sailboat is you're just not in a hurry to go anywhere. So you just putter along and enjoy being on the lake.
And that is what it's all about. It's about the peace.
It's like life. Life is not a race to the end. It's about enjoying it, right?
Enjoying it. It's the journey along the way.
Here, don't fall over. I don't want you to fall and break your ass. You know, it's already got a crack in it. You got to be careful. Don't any grief out of you, Spencer. That was a
You're
dad joke,
such
and you know it.
a funny dad. The funniest fucking dad over here.
Oh, and I give you air nuts
You're
about
talking about
people
this
selling their
point
yards
way
and
up
garages.
here,
or-
Kat
You
says
like
she's
that?
jealous.
Oh, I love that.
Kat, you need to come back up here. We'll go sailing.
There were, honey, there were boulders. There are big boulders.
There's big
over there.
boulders north of this one over here. They've been around this point too, yeah.
Okay.
And that's actually, is it Elm Point back there?
Okay. This is probably the beach we were at right up there.
Yeah, you were at the Buffalo.
The point is right out here, right?
That was a scary ordeal.
Yeah.
Look up Jimmy Buffett, surfing in a hurricane. Holy cow, folks.
We
It's
were
awesome.
we were out here
Oh,
sailing
we
one
were
time
there.
when the kids were younger. They were all, I don't know, I think Katira was about 14. And we were sailing and this guy came flying out of there with this little Hobie. And those things are ridiculously fast. And he was like sailing circles, literally circles around my boat. I was just like,
Go, dude, go. Yeah, good for you.
remember that, Katira?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that thing had some,
Well, and then he was up on
Go.
one hull, you know, he's like leaning way back, just screaming a hull past us. Probably came within 10 feet of the boat like 5 or 6 different times. And I was just
Wow.
sailing along, just cruising.
Just teasing
Katira,
you.
what's your favorite sailing story? What's your favorite sailing memory?
I don't know.
It wasn't the night of that party, was it? With the black-toothed grins? That's your favorite story.
That was a rough one. That was,
She was bragging she'd never been sick from drinking. Well, that changed. Right
Yeah,
then and
I
there.
drank.
On the water?
We were in the boat.
yeah, we were on the boat, not out on the lake. But I drank, rum, tequila, wine coolers, beer,
Just mix it all.
whiskey, yeah, 2 different kinds of whiskey,
Name it
just like
water.
straight shots of whiskey.
There you go.
It was bad.
What is you doing?
Oof, I was young and dumb. Young and very, very dumb. I was so freaking hungover for like 2 days.
Oh, yeah.
2 days.
That amount? Oh, that amount? Oh, yeah. That would be like...
Kat said she's gonna come up and we're gonna go sailing.
Okay. I'm totally okay with that. I won't have this awesome captain's hat though, because it's not mine. I will find one. And I will buy one. Ooh, fish. Huge fish. 14 feet.
Oh, see? Now we know where the fish are. About 14 feet, I think.
The one's
go
at 15
fishing.
there, it's a littler one. We don't have fishing lines with. I would have brought some with, but I never do.
It's just
Hey.
the way it goes.
You guys didn't bring it either, it ain't my fault.
I know, I didn't even think of it.
I don't know how you feel about fishing on the sailboat, Jimbo.
It's totally legal. That is a total...
No, I'm sure it is.
I mean, you're just fishing. It's, you know, like nature.
You're on a boat.
You're on a boat and you're fishing like everybody else, but it's not like their
It's
boat.
not like I'm opposed to fishing.
Right.
It's just that nobody eats fish in my house except me. When me and Joe went ice fishing, we caught just under our limit, like one under our limit. And we came home, and Joe, my friend Jody, is native, and he's so everything that natives do is better, you know.
Of course.
Of course, you know.
Yeah.
So, but I
That's
tied
fucking
him
gem.
catching fish, or I beat him by one, I think. But we get back, and I'm like, well, I'll fry these up, and he's like,
Auntie Edna!
I'll fry them up. I'm like, no, Joe, I got this. It's my house. I got it, bud. And Katira, I used panko and Greek seasoning when I did the fish. And Joe, we ate all of the fish. All of them, the whole limit that we caught that day, we ate them all. Of course, we drank beer all day.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah, yeah,
we were
yeah.
hungry when we
You're
got off the
chowing,
lake.
yeah. It's time.
Panko is the shit.
Panko is the best. That's the best.
It
kind
is,
of
I
bread
swear.
from
And then, I don't know, you ever heard of Cavender's Greek seasoning? That stuff is
I
so
think-
good on
yeah.
pork and on fish.
Just on
on
and chicken
potatoes
and
chicken.
and
Anything,
eggs.
anything, you
I
put it
put
on
that
anything,
shit.
I
Yeah, I
love
put
it.
that shit on everything.
Yeah.
So good.
So you put all that you ate all the fish, huh?
Yeah.
No. There's a secret way to do liquid smoke. Okay. There's a secret way that my mom used to always do. You know, it's that liquid smoke stuff. Have you ever done that on ribs or anything?
A long time ago. I haven't really done it in a while.
The only time I really
Kind of
use
got
it
to
is when I make
paint it
venison
on and let it
jerky.
sit.
Yeah, it's got to soak
You know, it's hours and hours in slow cooking. I want it done now. I want a nice crisp edge and everything,
in. So,
but it's smoky.
yeah, it's good stuff. I like the taste of it. I just
Yes,
don't
we
use
are
it.
having fun, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie. We're from the Twin Cities.
I did find out
Hi,
that
Joel.
even when the wind is blowing out, we can get out and only nudge a little bit going out, so that makes me happy. So it's on. I'm going to sail a lot this month. Probably through September. Get as much
This is
time on the lake
perfect
as I
sailing
can.
weather, I would say.
It's a little
Hi,
bit
Tom.
slow. I could go a little faster if I turned away from... Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe if I turn
Don't
this
make
way, I
it-
can pick up
don't
just
make
a touch more of the wind. And we can get a little bit more movement here. We were heeling on this heading before, and Katira didn't want me to heel over, so she turned into her mom all of a sudden about the sailboat. I'm number one. That makes me happy. right now, Sissy would be so happy on this boat right now because it's just as level as can be.
You look like you're from Hawaii.
It's just wonderful. I actually have a set of Kona beads that I bought in Hawaii. We went to Hawaii in 2012, and they're fantastic. Went for our anniversary.
Yeah, I can't believe his mom doused me with these. And said, here, have these. They're on the ship.
I gave her these in 1986.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I'd been down to Florida.
Okay.
I gotta bring my mom something.
Yeah, we got to do
She
that.
still got them.
So, Julie, you guys have been on sailboats before. Why don't you tell the story about your sailboat excursions in the past?
Oh, sailboat excursions. Yes, indeed. Well, you always have to have a big mast. And always bring your axe with you wherever you go. That's a Viking thing. From the Northland, up here in the north. You go ahead. Come on, sailing. Sailing. This is our first time really sailing on a boat.
You guys were on a catamaran, though,
We were on
weren't
a
you?
catamaran.
Well, the catamaran,
3 hour sunset.
down in Key Largo, our friend
very,
works
very
for a
fun.
company with the Caribbean Club with Humphrey Bogart. Stuff everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great place to see the sunset.
Yeah.
And she runs the catamaran, and she does snorkels and
I got
dives
twice the
and
sail.
all kinds of fun stuff. And you go sailing fast because the catamaran is too. So very fast on the water. Sometimes you get dolphins. Choo, 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 choo. We had a double rainbow that day.
I'm gonna get bourbon here.
Yeah.
Those are not as beautiful as dolphins.
Not as beautiful.
Not as
It's
beautiful.
But yeah, you get the birds and the seagulls and stuff.
We had a sunset and a rainbow at the same time.
Yeah, sunset
Hi,
and a
Dean.
rainbow at the same time. Very unusual.
Did you hear that? They had a sunset and a rainbow at the same time.
That sounds awesome.
Very
That
unusual.
would be super
She has
cool
not
to
been
see.
able to duplicate that because that's Mother Nature.
Hi, JP.
Oh, JP's watching?
What up, homie?
dude?
Hello. Come out.
You know,
Hang
there's
out.
a meteor shower going on right now.
Yeah, the
Meteor
Perseids.
shower. Meteor shower's going
We
on
watched it in
tonight.
South Dakota while there was a
For a while.
storm.
For how long?
northeast.
For how long? How long is the
There's
meteor
lightning
shower
flashing
going on?
here and-
For
no
like
idea.
2 weeks or something?
So
Mhm.
the storm was coming
Great
in?
places on the
storm was
lake,
passing
away
on
from
the
lights,
Northeast.
Yeah.
not
On the west,
in the city or
there's all
anywhere.
the shooting stars. It was,
Yeah.
Oh, that's
it was,
something
it
awesome.
was way cool.
I watched the Perseids back in when I was 12, so
Okay.
we're gonna say 10 years ago. Okay, we'll just leave it at
Say
that.
10.
I was in Portland, Oregon, and my dad drove us out into the mountains, up into the mountains.
Wow.
And I was on top of his van, on top of a mountain, watching the Perseids. And
What's the Perseids?
that's
What's
the
that?
name of the meteor shower that
Meteor
goes
shower.
on in
Oh.
August.
Every
it's
August,
the Perseids meteor showers.
I didn't
Because
know
we're
it had a
passing,
name.
we're passing through
How's it going, Dean?
a
Yeah.
part of the space that's full of debris, and that's what meteor shower.
Yeah.
Meteor shower.
I didn't know they had a name.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Deborah.
There's several of them.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of
This is
different
probably
ones.
the most.
Because we
most
see them in
well-known
South
one.
Dakota and all kinds of places.
The first time
I
I
want to
ever
spray you. I want to keep
knew about
you
it
guys.
was in '86 because I was traveling across
Show
South
what you
Dakota
fried.
after dark, and I saw so many meteors, and I was
Hold your
amazed.
hair up, please.
And then 4 years later, I heard on the
Here we
radio,
go.
because I never listened to radio, but the radio announced it. And I'm like, okay, that's why I keep seeing
I have no rights to this music. Just
No
post
rights
saying
to
that.
music
So
at all.
I don't know if Facebook
No rights.
bans you for having music on.
They
there.
don't ban you. I think they like block
This
your
is on the
video.
radio.
Yeah,
Sorry.
don't block this video, Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah, Mark Zuckerberg.
Sorry.
Zuckerberg. I like that one better.
How many people we got watching, Kit?
7.
Oh, all right.
You want me to go down
It
below
was
and make
it was up
eight?
to 12.
Want me to go down below and make it 8? No, Smith. Was it you that did that, wasn't it? Katara Janelle. I'm going live on Facebook, and Janelle had her phone out watching, but she was sitting right where you are. What are you doing? Why do I hear an echo here?
Echo.
Boosting your ratings. What's it look like?
Boosting my ratings. You know, Katara, if you show over there, they can probably see the beach at Buffalo. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, Buffalo Point is right. Yeah.
Yeah, we're still in Minnesota. We have not let me back out.
We're still in the United States.
Will's out.
United States, yes, I would say that. United States.
Hi, Jeremy.
United States.
Okay.
There's some fish down there.
Yeah.
Really wish I would have brought the fishing rods.
You gotta take the weekend.
Created because of the king of France.
Is that what it was?
Yes, there
Trade
is
routes.
history here, folks, and he knows
What-
history.
He
Listen to him.
determined where the territory would end based on the farthest north and west shore. Only Lake of the Woods. He pictured Lake of the Woods as an oval or a circle, and it's not. It's so
It's
whatever.
jagged
That's
edges.
just so it ended up there, but they were based on the Mississippi River, and they didn't know where the source of the Mississippi River was, so they drew a line straight up from where they thought it was, and to the far side of the lake, and then they drew a
We have to go there to get a picture of that, for
they did
sure.
an angle across.
Because we know
So
people at the
Minnesota has
southernmost
that
point
straight up line
of
and
the
then
continent
thing.
down in Key West. Mm-hmm.
Have you been to
Southernmost
America's
point.
Point? Have you been to America's
No,
Point,
we-
which is the
No.
northernmost
This is-
point of the continental
No,
U.S.?
no, that's what we're
You just gotta
looking
go
for.
up there with your boat.
That's what
I
that's
know,
what
we're
wanting
thinking
to do.
about that.
That's what we're to do. We're
But our
not
boat
We don't have
is
enough
running
time
out.
today to make it,
right.
because it's like 30 miles away.
But we can
Okay.
still fish in it.
I've been there with this boat. I've
Okay.
been
Yeah.
to America's Point,
Okay, that's what we're trying
and
to
I
see.
stayed all in American waters.
Yeah.
But we went to Magnuson Island, and we saw
Treasure!
Fort St. Charles, which is where La Viandre had his fort.
Okay.
And of course, the Indians
Hey,
murdered
PJ.
him
Right.
and murdered
Hey.
his whole clan. And
Oh my gosh.
took their heads. While they were killing them, a giant storm rolled in, and so the Indians thought that the gods were mad at them. So they took all the heads and put them on another island that's called Massacre Island.
Yeah.
Out here?
Out here, yeah.
Out here?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So
Yeah.
cool.
I did not know the
History
history.
tells us how peaceful these Indians were.
Yeah.
How so peaceful they were. My goodness.
Only they killed each other.
Well, and but the old what's really funny is they never found La Viandre's head. He was everybody else's heads they found, but
Yeah.
they never found his.
Think he escaped?
Oh no, they found his body. He just didn't have a head.
Somebody has that head locked up somewhere.
Yeah.
And they pillaged it and they want lots of money now. On the black market.
Yeah.
Either that or they dropped it overboard because it was a storm and they were in canoes.
Oh.
Oh, that's
So it
true.
could have just sunk to the bottom.
It's in the
I
bottom
don't
of
think
the lake.
I don't think heads float very well. I don't know.
That's
Do we want
okay.
to test that, Spencer? Go get a knife. Let's check this out.
Machete time.
I bet it would sink.
Coconuts
Uh-huh.
down
I
in
bet
the
it would
I
island.
bet it would sink.
Just
Yeah.
go right down.
Dense
It's
enough.
like
I mean,
cutting coconuts in the island.
Oh, yours might be a
might
little
have
hollow.
Like the coconut tree.
which
Well,
is
this one
worse?
don't have
Which
coconuts.
is worse?
So we went, yeah, to
Remember,
America's
I can
Point,
throw
to
you
the
over.
northwest
I can
angle
throw
from
you
water.
Okay. Yeah.
And we motored all that way. We sailed up there, and then we
Okay.
motored because I didn't want to. It's when the laws were changing about the border, and you were not permitted at that time to go into Canadian waters at all. But
Really?
now you can go into Canadian waters as long as you don't make landfall. But we're
like a little
supposed to try and get back
fin.
out as soon as possible. We're not like on a sailboat. You don't have pinpoint control over where you're going. You just kind of
Yeah.
you're just kind of going, right?
Right, right.
And we should be able to see Garden Island. Oh, it's too hazy. Garden Island is like dead ahead. Garden Island is just a big
Where's
island.
there though? What's that?
That over there is Rocky Point.
Rocky Point?
Yep,
Originally
that's
voiced
where
the-
Arneson's Rocky
the
Point
character,
is.
but
Yeah.
it's
Okay,
just
did
a
not know this.
gigantic head with an arm coming
I have
out
been
of
out
the
here
top
with
of
your
it.
dad many years ago when we were
And
young.
it just, it
Yeah,
kind of
there's
just like
some
pulls
really
you
like
around.
we're really
Hey,
old.
hey, you.
Five
Hey.
miles.
Oh, look at that one. Oh my
Wanna
God.
get my mouth?
How the hell can you see that?
It was huge. It like took up the whole screen.
Oh yeah, 13,
Look at this.
14. Yep, yep.
There are some big ass fish underneath of us, Spence.
Oh, damn it.
It could be northern. Northern
Probably
Viking
are.
Or there
sharks.
could be a 30-inch walleye.
What about a sturgeon? Wouldn't that freak you out?
You don't catch those on this side of the lake very often. I don't know if anybody's caught a sturgeon.
Sturgeons are supposed to be everywhere, but
They are, yeah, but-
Although, you know, we are up
More
in
in the river?
Canada too. We're up in muskie territory too now.
Yeah, they could be muskies.
you know, people
We're
get their
24 feet
toes
of water.
eaten off by muskies.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Well, I was thinking about just jumping in and going swimming, but not anymore.
Chicken.
Hold it. How deep are we?
24.
24.
Okay,
Still
we're at
think
the
about
perfect point because they're all at the bottom.
Yeah, they're bottom feeders. They stay at the bottom with the walleye and whatnot.
Oh
I
shit!
think
That's
That's my
mostly-
phone.
yeah, I think
Excuse
they're
me.
mostly bottom.
Excuse
Don't worry
me.
about
Holy crap! First
Phone.
things first.
We don't want to hear what you're saying on your phone call.
Stop.
There you go. I think it's on.
Hey, where's my phone? Oh, here it is. Oh my God, it's Terry in Florida.
Terry in Florida. Tell her
Hello, Terry
better
in
here
Florida.
right
How
now.
are
You're
you?
live on Facebook. Hey guys, long time listener.
First time caller, long time listener.
I am cruising on a ship
Sorry.
right now. On a ship indeed, with sails
Do you have a name?
upon the open waters.
Galadriel is the name of the
Right
boat.
now,
It's
on
on
the
the
Live.
I
side.
read it too.
Yeah.
it is a very good mate of ours up here in War Road.
You're on the Galadriel.
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 We're on the Galadriel.
The
Galadriel.
Lady Galadriel.
Lady.
Oh,
I can't say it the second
Galadriel.
time.
You kind of wonder why the doing the
Need more rum, then you can say it.
A live video with Terry.
Hey, there's a sailboat up there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, last year.
You guys see it up there? See the stick?
Just past the point there.
Just past the point, there's a sailboat.
Yes, we're on Lake of the Woods. How are things down there? Is it hot? Because we're in the 90s here. It's good to be on the open
just
waters.
to have off of Swift
Good to
Ditch.
be on the
Are you
open
talking about?
waters with a nice breeze.
Oh, did someone
Sturgeon?
someone,
That's
someone
Dean.
We
caught a
had such
sturgeon off
miserable
Swift Ditch?
I think that's what he's talking about.
Oh, that's cool. I've never got one. I've got
Me either.
burbits and I've got
From, you
I've
heard
caught
my
pretty much
message,
everything
didn't
else.
you?
Never
Yeah.
caught a sturgeon.
I caught a crayfish while I was ice fishing once. That freaked me out.
Not just that, but
Yeah,
the
don't they- I
van
thought they
breaking
burrowed
down,
underneath
his
and
mom
slept
dad's
in the
van
mud.
breaking
That's what I thought
down
too.
in,
But I caught one.
Interesting.
Weird.
Misery. Yes, it broke down. So, well, whatever. Can't talk about that now.
Yeah, we're having a good day.
Yep. I don't know. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Won't you be mine?
I'm happy
Yes.
to see someone else out sailing. That makes me super
Yes.
happy.
It's a good day for it.
It's got to be a pretty good sized boat too, because they're 5 miles off, and I can see them pretty good. And maybe even 10 miles off. That's
Yeah.
a ways over there, Spence. My distance judgment on the water can be a little skewed.
I have really good.
Whew.
I have
the
really
water
good
mile,
reception on the
isn't that a
lake, but I
country
don't
mile?
have
Yes.
mom and dad.
Okay.
Nautical miles
Oh,
are
yeah.
slightly
I'll try
further
to call you
than
back later.
Than
Yeah.
a
Okay, I'll tell
land
you.
mile. I don't
Okay,
know if there's
bye-bye.
a name for them too, and I can't remember it.
Okay.
Yeah, Dean. Yeah,
this is-
Dean
Okay, thank
said
you.
that they caught sturgeon in
Love and
Swift
miss
Ditch.
too.
Oh, that's cool.
I
Way to
want
go,
to catch
Dean.
one.
Bye bye.
You need a big rod for that. I wouldn't even have a rod big enough for a sturgeon.
Oh.
Really?
Well, you
They get pretty
hook
mighty?
You hook onto the right
Okay.
size sturgeon and
Back to that.
Hit the
Just
same
push
button.
the matter. Middle.
Should be for the There you go.
Ram.
We like Joe Walsh.
I like
It's
that.
rock and roll. Uh-oh.
There we go. We're on. The volume went down though.
Uh-oh. Oh, shoot.
Did you lose signal? We are kind of.
No.
We're north of Canada right now.
No, it's an ad.
I don't have my passport with me, Jim. I'm gonna.
We're not in Canadian waters though.
I
I
don't even
can
have a
see that
passport.
on my
Hey, me either, bud.
on my GPS. We're not in
Should go and
Canadian.
get
We're
that.
not in
The card
Canada.
at least.
We're
think it's
near
only like
Canada.
50
We're
bucks.
north of a chunk of Canada.
Yeah, what was over there, Joe? Golf course and a couple houses and
Yep. I know, because I was on that golf course. Yep.
We used to have a CD player on here. When the kids were younger, they always wanted music, so we kept music on here. But it was a mess. There was wires everywhere, so I just took it out once after the kids kind of grew up. What a beautiful day. There's a few fishermen out here. We got some fish going under the boat. So we're clipping along at 3.5 miles an hour about. Is that about trolling speed, Spence, or is that too slow?
Trolling? No, trolling, that'd be fine. I think it'd be a little too slow for dumping, but no, trolling, it should be alright.
I would troll at this speed. Why not? I mean, you're not using any gas.
There's
You're
Buffalo
going with
Point.
the
I
flow.
found a whole
We're going
box
past Buffalo Point.
and it had blown out of someone's boat. Found it on the way into town on 313, and it's got 26
Oh, you
like
counted
lures.
them?
Yeah, we sorted them all out.
Yeah.
And yeah,
He's gonna share with his favorite daughter.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
I posted it on Sell and Swap to see if anybody
Oh, do you guys have that
claimed it.
goal?
Huh?
Goal? Do you you have the commercial Let Go up here?
Let go.
I'm
Let
sure
Go.
there is, but
It's an app, and anybody
Oh, yeah,
can
Let Go,
contact
yeah.
you. And like the lady in the sewing machine parachuting down and someone's in there. You ought to sell that.
the
Let
water
go of
is
that.
beautiful.
Yeah, so I've been selling
Perfect.
things like crazy on Let Go.
Have you?
A lot of good hits.
So guys,
I
have
gotta
many
get
people on there?
some car
Or is it
six
down?
on there.
6?
There's someone fishing over yonder.
Over yonder.
Over
Yonder looks like that, my
over
stuffed
yonder
dog.
are. Indeed they are.
Alright, Kira, are you enjoying this now? Now that you're focused on something else a little bit? It's so perfect out here. It's just a beautiful day. I have no, what time is it? I don't even know. I just lose track.
2:37.
2:30? Oh, it's early.
I don't know, Jim. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Of course. Of course.
Oh, we're all adults
Only
here.
certain people
Drink
know
when
that
you want
one.
to drink.
There's like 2 times a day when I know I'm somewhere. I always look at the clock and I'm like, I'm somewhere.
There you go. Oh, that breeze feels nice, huh?
Am I burning?
No. No, but you got a good coat of white on you.
Oh, I mean, that's my skin.
No, I mean the sunscreen.
Hi, Morgan.
My cousin Morgan?
Oh, Morgan Fish.
Oh, Morgan Fish. Hey Morgan, how's it going, bud? Morgan should be a captain, don't you think? That sounds good.
Captain Morgan.
I
of
think that
course.
sounds great.
Here we go.
Spencer doesn't like the dad jokes.
Oh no, do you not remember the wine walk, Jim?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. Well, I wasn't that drunk. I could still drive after the wine walk.
Sorta.
I didn't hit anybody. I hit someone when I'm stone cold sober at Randy's house.
I heard about
Hit
that.
a parked car.
Thought you want to drive, Jim?
I was so busy trying to watch out the one side
Right,
because there was
yep.
a tree and another van there.
Yep.
And the front end, you know, when you turn and it just swung around, it's punk,
Crunch.
crunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, shit. What is that? Crunch.
Huh?
And a part of his back bumper like fell off, was
Dangerous.
hanging there, but I was able to get that snapped back in place. Luckily, the van was already completely blasted.
Oh my
His van was all
gosh, oh
just
my
beat to
gosh.
hell, it was all dented, so I didn't do any damage to his van.
Right.
You just kind of.
I messed up my
Yeah.
front fender a little
Disconnected
bit.
the bumper for a short time.
Yeah, it wasn't even the bumper, it's just the rubber cover on the bumper.
Oh, wow.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Yeah, tried to say that fast 3
Right.
times.
I bet I could, I haven't had any rum today. Because driving
Billy
driving
Edward
and
Nelson
drinking,
says hello.
even who?
Billy Edward Nelson says hello.
Oh, how's it going, Billy?
I don't know if I know him.
Yeah, you do. I played softball with him. Short guy, tattoo on his face.
Teardrop?
Nope.
Somebody
You do know him. You have met him.
Play softball with him here?
In Thief.
Okay.
Deep River.
Oh, I was an athlete at one point.
An athlete. A 3-syllable athlete.
Now I
Has
missed
it
playing
always been the
softball.
rum? Do tell. Has it always been the rum?
no, the rum is a newer, relatively newer thing. I used to drink. I don't even remember what I used to drink before rum. It wasn't good.
All
I
those
used
nights
to
playing
drink
with the band.
Windsor.
Freaking Michelob, bro.
I just drank a lot of beer
Hewitt's.
The rum's always gone.
Dad,
and
Hewitt's.
No, some whiskey. Southern Comfort I drank.
SoCo's good.
SoCo's good.
You
But
call
then-
it Jack.
No, you know, Fighting Cock, straight Kentucky bourbon. I drank that. That's good stuff. But I drank. I went to work at the Eagles Club in Thief River, and I was working with my good buddy Lane. And Lane and Ginger both work there. They're married now and awesome.
I miss them.
And Lane's like, Jim, you should have a rum and coke. And I'm like, oh, I don't really like rum. I don't think. I've never. 'Cause all it had is like Bacardi White, and that's just like rubbing alcohol.
Yes,
you know? It's
exactly.
not-
I agree. That's why the gold is better. The gold is smoother.
So
Indeed, indeed.
I'm like, okay, well, let's go. Let's try this then. So I tried it, and
What?
I absolutely
No, I just reapplied.
loved it. So I've been a
Spiced rum.
Captain Morgan and a spiced rum fan, And I have some spice rum you can buy in one place on this planet, and it's on Tortola, BVI. It's a place called Sebastian's on the Beach, and they make their own rum. And it is the best, most sweet, delicious,
Yeah.
banana hinted flavor rum.
It's so good.
Did I just mix myself totally?
Yes, I think you did. You need help.
There we go, I got it. I just feel like getting a little warm there.
Matt McGuire.
What,
What up, Lubby?
Anyway, that rum,
That
and it was
fucking
like
gem.
$22 a bottle. I bought 2 bottles. I didn't know how it tasted. I just bought it because on, what's that app for looking up vacations and finding things out?
Expedia?
No, it's got like an owl for an emblem. Anyway,
Travelocity.
no,
Travelocity.
it's Travel something.
TravelAdvisor.
Travel Advisor, TripAdvisor.
TripAdvisor.
So I was reading about Sebastian's on the Beach,
And then you tripped.
and no trip. I was reading about Sebastian's on the Beach, and somebody commented on there, you absolutely, if you go to this place, you have to buy some of their rum. It's the best rum in the world. So I bought 2 bottles of it just on that
Anyone
recommendation.
like ice cold water? Would you like ice cold water?
I still have mine down here.
Okay, if you want to put it
Careful,
in
careful,
there.
guys.
Stop the.
I'll turn out of the wind a little bit
Yeah,
to make it a little
do
more
that.
level.
Don't you need some too?
What is that? Oh, just Bacardi.
Bacardi Dark.
No, it's Bacardi Gold because
Bacardi
pirates
Gold.
like the gold. Remember that. That goes with the terms.
So,
Like Indeed does too.
so I bought
Bye,
this.
Bonnie.
Of course.
I bought this
Of course.
bottle of rum, or 2 bottles of
Where
rum.
the heck did you bring the rum up? I wanted the rum to come up.
And when we got back to Minneapolis, I got to my cousin's house, Rex's house,
Oh, sorry.
and I'm like, I bought this rum. Do you want to taste it? And he's like, yeah, we'll give it a shot. I said, I don't know if it's good or not. I know the rum punches they made with it were phenomenal, but that's all fresh juice, and it's just wonderful, you know? So we cracked the bottle open, and Rex tipped it up and didn't tip it down till like a quarter of the bottle was gone because it tastes so good.
Oh my goodness.
So, and we finished pretty much probably half of that bottle that night. Just had a few drinks because I was exhausted, jet lagged, all that crap. We got back up here, and that first bottle was probably gone in a week because
Yeah.
it tasted so good. And then we opened the second one, and then we started realizing, oh, I can't get this anywhere but there.
Hi, Spencer.
How you doing, Spence? Jeez, good to see ya.
See you too, Jim.
Anyway, so we mixed, we started rationing it. We'd only take a little bit once in a while and show it off to people, let them smell it, you know, and won't let them taste it. But it's evaporating in the
shot.
bottle. It's getting less and less. Maybe I'm drinking it. I don't know. Maybe I wake up in the middle of the night and sleep drinking. I
I've
don't
done that.
know.
I've done that.
But I have to get back there. I absolutely have to get back there because you cannot buy it anywhere else on this planet.
Where is
You have a purpose.
And it's Sebastian's on the Beach on Tortola in the British Virgin Islands.
Oh my gosh, okay, someplace I have not gone to, but it's on the bucket list now.
You need to go there. And the place Sebastian's is like super cheap to stay there. Okay, super cheap.
It is a gorgeous day.
It's like $300.
There's Buffalo Point right there.
$300 for 3 nights because that's what I got. 3 nights. It's 300, so $100 a night, which in the Caribbean is dirt cheap.
Yeah.
That's nothing. And then they sell that rum there.
It's a bonus.
Thank you.
Knock that out of there. We could have had a real issue, but we didn't because the wind's not blowing real hard. So, yeah, so I have to go back there. I have to. There's some people that have gone there, said that I know. They're like, bring me back some rum. And they're like, no, we're not bringing you back rum. I'm like,
Well, then you kick them out of your life. You don't need that
I
kind
don't
of
need that kind of
negativity.
negativity.
F those guys.
If I could,
Friends are supposed to be
I would pay
supportive.
duty. I would buy a case and pay duty because you can bring back 3 bottles per adult.
Okay.
So legally,
Our
you
uncle
can,
asked us to get the Nassau rum when we're in the Bahamas.
that's
Because
not
at that
bad.
time,
I've had that.
that time it was not legal in Florida or what happened? I don't know. But he said bring some back.
I
and say no.
contacted an importer in Florida who said he can get anything in the world. You can't get it. Oh, really?
That's not good.
A guy from down at the Keys who
Yeah, and
just
now you
has
finish
people.
your Gatorade.
I think he just gives people money to go to these places and bring back rum.
Oh,
Like that's how Kilo Kai got started in the United States. I don't know if you've ever drank Kilo Kai rum. Oh, if I had a bottle with, and I bought a bottle yesterday because we got a coupon from Marvin's. So I got it for
Yes, it is me.
I got it for $14. Oh, did you reverse the camera? Good. Anyway.
Oh,
they have
Bonnie,
Kilo Kai
Bonnie
at the
asked if
liquor
that was
store
me
in the world.
talking.
And you should go grab a one. Just grab a liter of it. It's a dark rum, but it's not a. I don't know if it's considered a spiced rum, but it's really sweet and it's really like so good. Like literally, the way I saw it was I was watching one of my sailing vlogs, and they went to Curacao where this is made. And they went through the tour, saw how it was made and all that, and they're sitting at this big table at the end, and they come and they pour a glass for you to try, right? And he's like, what, no cola? And the lady that owns the company said, if you need to mix your rum with something to make it drinkable, it's not good rum. And so I'm like, oh, I gotta try this. So I went to the liquor store in town, I'm like, can you get this? 3 days later, they had the shelves full of it, and I'm like, boom, I love
Like
this
Kilo
town.
Kai?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's good rum.
that's what I drank last night. I drank 4 Kilo Kai,
Have you had
and
any?
Dr. Peppers.
It's good. Yeah.
No, I
It's good.
didn't.
Vanilla? Real vanilla?
It's not vanilla. It's
it's
just
kind
really
of-
soft.
Yeah.
It's really soft flavored. It doesn't have a lot of. There's nothing harsh about it. Literally,
it's
you
not
could put
super
it over the
punchy.
rocks and you could just drink it.
It's
That's
yeah,
how
it's not
good it
like
is.
super
Alcoholic.
punchy like Captain Morgan can be, you know?
I don't like Morgan.
I have to be in the right mood for Morgan. Captain Morgan makes me play pool like a fucking champ though.
Oh, really? Okay.
All right, guys.
Yeah, I
We're
turn
gonna
into
have
a
to
shark when
turn
I
about here
have
soon
rum and I play pool.
and head back that way. So that knot's gonna need to be undone when we do it.
When should I?
Spence, do you want to come and help?
What am I doing?
We're gonna turn about.
Right.
We're gonna come about. So.
What do you need on
Come
time?
about.
You want to walk the
Walk the sail over.
jib around the wires, make sure they don't hook on the wires.
Do you want me to do
when
that?
we come around.
I can handle that.
Well, Katira, should we end live? I think we should end. So,
Yeah.
thanks, guys. Hope you
Bye,
enjoyed.
guys.
Talk to you later. We have to work a little bit today to make it more fun.